What's going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Black Prince the Barber. No introduction needed. Today, I'm not going to talk about how to cut a certain type of hair. I just want to just bring to my family, you know, my new generations that I have, which is my clippers, because, you know, I love to talk about clippers. I love to talk about how to cut hair, what type of texture of hair to cut. But we're not here about the hair cutting situation. But without further ado, you know, I just want to let you guys know I just got somebody added to the family. Somebody I always wanted, you know what I'm saying? It's like a brother to me, you know. But hey, there's nothing like family. Let's just jump right into it. I finally got the goldfx clippers, man. I finally got them. So everybody know how the clippers look anyway. You know, they gold. Everybody got the gold clippers. I'm just a little bit behind. But I'm about to tell you guys something new about the clippers, because some barbers just buy clippers and just use them. They don't try to break it down and tell you nothing about the clipper. So let's get into it. Let's, like Jesus say, let's dive right into it. All right. As you know, the clipper comes in a 10 box, okay? 10 box. And pretty much you guys already know what's on the bottom of it when you open the box and take the little slide plastic piece off. You know, you got your guards. Nobody don't use the guards. You got the charger. I got so many chargers. I don't need to use this charger that's in here, but I am, because it's brand new. Okay, let's take the clipper out. All right. When I buy BaByliss clippers like this, because I have several pair, when I buy my clippers, the first thing I want to listen for or look for is the click. I want to hear the click, because if it don't click, there's something wrong with the clipper. There's no use in using it. But this is the first thing I want to hear, besides turning them on. Okay, they let you know it's working condition. The second thing, when you purchase your clippers, you wondering why that piece of tape is right there. I'm gonna tell you why I know the tape is right there. The reason I know the tape is right there, because it's telling me, you know, just take the tape off and just go to cutting hair. Don't do that, because even if your clipper do come charged, recharge them, because you could kill a cell in this clipper, man. And you don't want to do that. Brand new clipper, messed up cell, you don't want to do that, bro. That's why they leave this tape on here. This tape is a reminder of, don't turn me on just yet. Just turn me on and make sure I work. Turn me off and plug me up. Pretty much I like the color. It's a sleek color. Gold.
I love gold.
Yes, I love gold. Oh, let's get to the blades. I had to get the white Power Rangers. White Power Ranger, gold Power Ranger. Go Power Ranger.
Tiger Zord! I don't need help to whip you and your clan cronies.
The first thing I noticed when I got this clipper, the blades. For all you barbers that think you can just know everything, I want you, well, I'm gonna tell you what type of blade this is, but I was gonna tell me in the comment section what type of blade this is. But I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you guys. If you can see the little bevel, this is a taper blade on the goldfx. This is a taper blade as well. You see the little bevel, taper blade, taper blade. Those are the only kind of blades I cut with. The black FX BaByliss Pro, they have the fade blade. I do not like the fade blade, because the fade blade gets too close to the skin. I mean, you can fade, you know, depending on, I don't know. I guess I'm just heavy-handed. But depending on the situation of the haircut, it's certain clippers I use when I'm cutting somebody's hair. The white BaByliss and the gold BaByliss will be my go-to. Now, don't get me wrong now. I love my Oster Fast Feed. They give a softer blend. That's why I go back and do my detail with. But I don't know, since I got these gold boys, I don't know if I'm gonna do my detail work with these. I'm just gonna, interact with all my clippers, because I don't really just choose one over the other. But as far as house calls, these would be my go-to clippers for the do house calls, man. Make sure you charge it. The reason I got two pair, because while I'm cutting with this pair right here, I'm letting this pair charge. And when I get through with this right here, when this done charging, I take it off the charger, put this on the charger, and cut with these and let these charge. So it's always good to get you two pair of clippers, man. That's pretty much it. So let's get to the pros and cons about these clippers. The pros. I love the clipper, the color. I love gold, like I said before. there's not much I can say, you know, that's bad about these clippers because they're real nice coat finish. Oh, okay. That's the pros that I have. It's real nice. It cuts good because I can imagine it do because it have the same blade like my white ones does. And there is a con about this clipper that when this clipper first came out, I hated this clipper. I'm gonna tell you I'm not gonna tell you for what reason. I'm gonna show you for what reason. And you'll get a great understanding of what I'm talking about. Hold on for a minute. All right, guys. Now, when I first seen this clipper, I might be the first YouTuber to say this or put this on YouTube. But when I first seen this clipper, I was like, man, I don't like them clippers. They round. I don't like them. I don't like them. These clippers remind me of this right here. I'm gonna put this in the camera. You're gonna be like, oh yeah, Black Prince, you show it right, bro. Check this out. You see this clipper? Okay. Now look at this. Look at this. This clipper looks exactly like this. Flashlight. A mag light. The reason I say because look at this. You can see the grinds, the whatever, you know. Look at here. Same thing. Look at the back. Come on now. A flashlight clipper. I mean, pretty much that's what it is. A flashlight clipper. I mean, but BaByliss, I mean, they did their thing. And big shout out to BaByliss Pro. There's nothing else I can say. I mean, that's the only con that I hated about the clip. Sound test now. Now, these was the first generation clippers that came out when BaByliss first hit platform. So these right here are actually Rob the Originals. Big shout out to Rob the Originals. The black ones are Tracy Stay Gold, and the red ones are Hawk the Barber. Make sure you guys look them up on YouTube, and make sure you guys go to Tracy Stay Gold so she can tell you more about the different types of blades. When I first bought this clipper right here, I was like, man, this clipper nice, man. I mean, wow, just look at this clipper, man. This clipper look like, it'll make you want to go cut hair. It'll make you wake up in the morning time and say, hey man, I'm about to go to the barber shop and cut some hair. All right, but this clipper is a little louder than the gold. Sound test, here we go. The white ones first. Okay, the gold ones. Same time. I mean, there's no difference, man. I mean, you know, in cutting, but the difference is that the white ones are a little bit louder than the gold ones, but they're not just as loud. They're not loud like it can make your client say, hey man, you know what I'm saying? Can you just let up off me like this, man? Because you know your clippers are too loud. It's not that loud. It's not, I'm not gonna say that loud. It's not loud, but it just, you still can hear the hair, you know, cutting off the head. That's been my conclusion of the review of the gold BaByliss Pro clippers. I mean, just leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to do another review on something else. If you want me to show you guys how to zero gap any clippers. I mean, anything, because, you know, this is what your boy Black Prince the Barber here for, man. You know, I'm here to educate you guys on something new. I'm trying to tell you guys something that the other barbers is not telling you. YouTube barbers, they'll tell you one thing, and when you go do it, why you think you can't get it? Because you want me to tell you why? Because some of them are not telling the truth. If you want a real barber to tell you something, man, come to my channel, and I will tell you everything word for word. And you know, that's it. I'm gonna do a tutorial on cutting hair with the BaByliss Pro clippers, and I want to see what's the difference in the, you know, time frame of cutting, because these right here run low, so I believe I'm gonna have to cut a little bit slower with these, but in due time we will find out. But this have been the conclusion of the review of the BaByliss Gold Pro clippers. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, leave a comment if you already subscribed to my channel. This concludes the review. But it's your boy Black Prince the Barber, and I'm out of here. May God bless.